Assalamu alaikum, dear parents. In this video, we will show you the communication function of this application, which I have already mentioned in my previous video. We have two communication features, which is direct messages and ticketing. Direct messaging is a feature which will help you to communicate directly with your child's teacher regarding any academic related issues. And ticketing feature will help you to communicate directly with relevant staff member for any other issues. Now going to the feature direct messages. On your left hand side, we compose the message for the teacher. In the tab here, we can write the teacher's name, or even if you just mention, you just write teacher, and you will have a drop box which will have the teacher's name. Now for example, we have Ishrat Ghazala and the message is for her. We click on Ishrat Ghazala, we type the subject, that is science, and we write a message in the message box. Scroll down after writing the message and click on send. You can check your messages again on the left hand side in the sent option, and here you can see that the message has been sent to the teacher Ishrat Ghazala. Now when the teacher replies back to you, they will come in your inbox. Now as of now, the inbox is empty. Now going to this second feature of communication, that is the ticketing module. On the left hand side, you can see the applications and click on more. On your right hand side, we have the ticketing module. Click on ticketing and we have the landing page to raise a ticket. Click on the raise ticket, and this is again the tab wherein you can write the ticket for any concerns. Now the title would be, for example, Google Classes. Problem area would be information technology. Then description would be like for connectivity. And then your priority for the ticket would be, say, medium. And then yes, you have to mention the admission number of your child. Again, you have a drop box to help you through. And if you can see, we have an admission number as 1019 and 1020 here. So you click of any of the one, that would be your child. And then again, you can choose if you have any attachments and attach them as well. After typing your concerns in the box, you can click on create. Once the ticket is created, you can see that this is the history on your page, where you can see all the queries and tickets raised by you in the course of time. Now for the one which we created right now is the last one, the fifth one, and we can see, scrolling it from right to left and left to right, that it states that the status is open. Now once the query is received by the concerned department, the query will show you as an example. Like this. This is the comment history. Like you can see, you have the title of the ticket, then the description and a drop box of comments and the comment and the queries, the replies to the parent. With the help of this comment box, you can see that how much time did your query take to be resolved from the school end. Thank you.